the unity of the faith, the perfect, the love, the perfect, a perfect man, the stature of the fullness of Christ. Yun po yung may babasahin lang po ako dito sa 1 Corinthians chapter 13. Sabi dito, kailan ka magtatagumpay? Pagtagumpayan mo ito kung magdadanasin mo yung bagay na ito. Maranasan mo sa sarili mo. Though I speak with tongues of men and angels, and of angels, and have not charity, I am become a sounding brass or a twinkling cymbal. And though I have the gift of prophecy and understanding all mysteries and all knowledge, and though I have all faith, so that I could remove mountains, and have not charity, I am nothing. And though I bestow all my good to feed the poor, and though I give my body to be burned, and have not charity, it profited me nothing. Charity suffereth long. Charity suffereth long and is kind. Charity envieth not. Charity vaunteth not itself, is not puffed up, not that behave itself unseemly, seeketh not her own, is not easily provoked, thinketh no evil, rejoice not in iniquity, but rejoiceth in the truth. When the truth was come, the truth shall set you free. So, bear all things, believe all things, hope all things, endure all things. Yun po yung nakasabi. Mayroon pong pananagumpay. Kung iyong nagagawa ito, mga kapatid, the capstones of this message is love. Amen? So yun, ang perfect love, tayo nga ay inaring, tayo ay yung stature of the perfect man. The faith, knowledge, temperance, patience, brotherly love, this love was the capstone to the stature of the perfect man. So kung meron na tayong stature of the perfect man and you are qualified as a bride, and you will be qualified to be in the marriage supper of the Lamb. Yung lamang po, salamat.
Amen.